Previously in Tjyockiyland. In an attempt to find answers for Tjyockiyland, Brownie ended up unconscious and drifted across the entire Muesli planet to find answers. But however, Goya also wanted to be the new queen because Brownie went missing. Now she's going on a little adventure with Tjyockiyland. No, Goya, you can't be the new queen of Tjyockiyland. We already have a queen. But I want to be the new queen. Where's Brownie? Brownie is somewhere else. Oh no. Well, then we're gonna surround you, Muesli Chicken. No, chickens. You won't surround me. Well, but why aren't you telling us where she is then? I don't know where she is. Oh no. Then you have to search for her. Yes, you are going to search. Muesli 2 is already searching for car keys, but hasn't found them yet, and otherwise she would call me. But when is Muesli 2? Oh, where is she then? Well, probably somewhere in Tjyockiyland or something. She is probably going with her bicycle around Tjyockiyland and the other countries in this continent. But Brownie is nowhere to be seen. Well, but why must I go to an adventure? Because you like an adventure, and when you find her, that's pretty brave of you. Oh yeah, and you will get some extra seeds for being gifted, okay? Okay, go, yeah? Well, go. Well, Tjyockiyland, come on! We're going to find Brownie. Let's find her. Okay, bye, chickens. Well, then I have time to do this other thing, counting the eggs. Because Brownie always wanted to come back with much more eggs than this. Well, not here, the eggs. Oh wait, you're back? Yeah, I just wanted to ask you something. What? Okay, yeah. What do you want to ask me? Can Gekia and the others also get a reward for finding her? Yes, of course. Okay, then we're going. Gekia, where didn't you call Muesli for help? I was a little bit scared. Okay. Where are you talking about? Nothing. Well, why are you still here? To find something? Brownie? Maybe Brownie has left some clues around here. Well, yeah, maybe she is here. And maybe she's not. So you have to search for her. Yes, but I'm searching for clues. Okay, but here, next, I'll be alone in Tjyockiyland because I'm going to look for eggs. Oh, but you can't lay eggs without the chickens. Well, maybe we have some eggs about. Oh yeah. No, just find Brownie. Wait, Pete, what are you doing here? I was a little bit scared. No. What are you scared of? Well, I thought we were all going to be flung up by a monster. Wait, monsters? Well, the only monsters I know is my rainbow friends, but you can just go and find the brownie? Okay. Okay, but maybe we can go and look for if this hotel is good. Because the rabbits aren't here anymore. I miss them. Well, I think they are somewhere here in their graves. Or maybe they are something. Maybe they are here or something. Or under the chicken house there. I don't know. Hey Jerk, what are you doing? I thought you were going to search with Muesli to do for the car keys. Well, we got it. Wait, really? Where's Mr. Tutu? Already going in the car. Wait, but she had to wait for me. Well, then I must go to search for Mr. Tutu. Bye, chickens. Oh, wait. Tjyockiyland is empty. Well, lean the way, Jerk. Oh, yeah, wait for me. Hey, Jerk. Well, Jerk, come. Well, I thought we were going to search for brownie. Yeah, but first we're drinking some, yeah, just go and drink some coffee or something. Okay. Where's Steve? I can't find him. Well, Steve went to another world, I think. No, Steve went missing to search for brownie. Wait, also Steve is missing? No, that can't be. Steve will be somewhere in here. In fact, the rivers aren't that long. Well, the Muesli planet is around 6,000 million kilometers wide or something. Well, then how can we search for the rivers? Well, these rivers are also like 5 kilometers long, and this is only the Fishy River. Wait, but how long is Fishyland? Well, probably also around 1,000 million kilometers or something. Oh no, that's the continent. Fishyland is about 43 kilometers wide. Well, but how can we find Steve then? Well, I'm searching for Muesli too. Maybe you can go and search for her around the rivers? Well, that's a good plan. But we don't have phones or something. No, I can make some Muesli signs. Oh, okay. Bye. Bye, chickens.